Y series, which is smart node. Yes, and here you can set the mode, the party mode, set the dimmings, set the color temperature, the RGBW, RGBCW, and also can control our curtain motors. Yes, so just like this, and with this remote, with your hand, back. Yes, with the gestures to control. It can be charged with the Type-C, and with this one is our desktop. Also can be installed in the wall. So that's all for today. If you want to know more about the details, please contact me and follow my account. Thank you.